Look what this young man is doing with the old jong from his girlfriend. At the end of the video, it turns it into something incredible. He starts by putting his bands in one other machine to crush them into one kind of cotton. What will he do next with this surgery? He gathers this cotton and turns it into yarn, as we used to do for cotton. After one certain time, it consumes one bowl of wire that place in one machine to clean it. One time clean, it dips them in one acidic liquid for one chemical reaction that bleaches them. After drying, he weaves them by hand to form one tube. Then it takes this band of fabrics and puts it in one container with one dye. Orange one time dry. They put them around a cylinder and filled them with non-woven cotton. Finally, they fix them together. Add one round mold. Pour melted plastic, and after cooling, they stick one logo on it. You guessed what he makes. Yes, it is one stray cat bed, so that they have one comfortable place to sleep, even if they are homeless. Admire the skill and of the young man, and his heart full of compassion.